In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your projects inside of Dubsado 3.0. If we haven't met, I'm Emma. I'm a certified Dubsado specialist, and I help service-based business owners streamline their client experience in Dubsado so that everything's easier to run. So let's get started. I'm in the project page in Dubsado 3.0, and this is what you see. As before, you can look at leads, you can look at jobs or archived, which I don't have, but you can go back to all and everything's here. I'm under a table view right now, and you can customize this. You can sort however you want. You want it by name, by client name, which wouldn't work because they're all under the same client. These are all test projects, project date or created date. So I will keep it alphabetically descending by project name. I have it grouped by status right now, which is generally how I use it, but you can change it to no grouping so that it's a little bit more compressed. You can change it to by client. So like I said, these are all under the same one, so they're all showing under test clients. Assign to or tags, which only a few of these projects have tags on them. So however you want it to be. By status is generally how I go. And you can show the empty groups or not. So this removes the ones that don't have certain statuses, but then you kind of have to click load more groups when you do that. So I prefer to just show empty groups so that it doesn't keep hiding things from me. Next, I'm going to show you the board view. Okay, so this is the board view. And if I go to leads, it's showing me my lead statuses. If I go to jobs, it's showing me my job statuses, which aren't as many. And all, then I scroll through all of them show up there. Now, the cool thing is that you can also choose what to hide and what to display. So of this list here, so maybe I don't use assign to. I want to see the project dates. I don't really want to see the contract, the status, because it's already grouped by status. I don't want to see project source. I don't want to see created date so that it's a little bit more compressed. You can also hide the labels, but sometimes that might be helpful so that if you have two dates, like project date and created date, so that you know what that is. If you hide the empty groups, it's nice, but like I said, you have to keep clicking load more groups for them all to show up for whatever reason. So this is nice and compressed. I like that. Or this one's also nice. Again, I have to keep clicking that. This is a great way, depending on how you prefer to view things. You can use the table view, you can use the board view, you can group it by different things. You can choose which properties to display inside of the project so that you can make it completely your own. So I hope that was helpful. If you're getting started with Dubsado, I have a free downloadable 101 checklist to take you through all the different settings and templates that you need to create to start using Dubsado with new clients. Each step has video tutorials so that you can follow along and just create everything at your own pace. And if you need help with the Dubsado setup, you've reached that point where you're bringing in a lot of clients and you really need to get organized and you want to automate a lot of your client process. It's all in here. You just want to turn it into something that you can use in Dubsado. I can definitely help you. With a Dubsado setup, we map out your client process together, and then I build all the templates and workflows that you need to deliver that client process in an automated and streamlined way to save you loads of time. So if that sounds like something you need, go to my website and book a free discovery call and we can get started. I'll see you next time.